Here is a bigger version of the same problem. You get 6 number cards: 5, 2, 8, 3, 6, 1. Use each card once to build 2 3-digit numbers. Make their sum land as close to 1,000 as you can. It is the make 100 trick, one place bigger. Pause the video. Pair the cards to hit 1,000. Here is a hint. Start with the hundreds. Here is the move. Work from the left. To reach 1,000, make the hundreds add to 9, the tens to 9, and the ones to 10. 8 and 1 make 9. 3 and 6 make 9. That leaves 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, not 10, so we cannot hit exactly 1,000 here. The closest is 835 plus 162. 997. Just 3 away. Try another deal. 7, 2, 5, 8, 4, 1. Hundreds, 8 and 1, 9. Tens, 7 and 2, 9. Ones, 5 and 4, 9. 875 plus 124. 999. Just 1 away. 3 nines in a row. Now it is your turn. A speed round. Make the hundreds 9, the tens 9, the ones 10. Sometimes you hit 1,000. Sometimes closest wins. Beat the timer. This is the make 1,000 rule. To build 2 numbers near a round total, make each column add up. Hundreds to 9, tens to 9, ones to 10. When they line up, you land exactly. When they cannot, take the closest. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.